Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to add custom icons to the Divi Button module using Divi Booster. This method allows you to upload your own SVG or PNG icons and select them directly from the Button module's icon picker. Divi doesn't have a built-in way to upload custom image icons, but with Divi Booster, you can quickly enable this feature, upload your icon, and configure it to appear in your buttons. This works seamlessly with both Divi 5 and Divi 4, while keeping everything simple and code-free. Let's dive in. To add a custom icon to the Divi Button module, you can use Divi Booster. This tool allows you to upload custom image icons directly to Divi's icon picker. Once uploaded, your icons will be accessible in supported modules, including the Button module's button icon setting. This approach is much simpler than creating a custom icon font using tools like Icomoon or Fontello. If you only need a few specific icons, like brand marks, logos, or project-related graphics, Divi Booster provides a quicker and more manageable solution. To get started with adding custom icons to your Divi Button module, you'll first need to install Divi Booster. This tool introduces the site-wide custom icons feature, allowing you to upload your icon once and then access it directly in the Button module's settings. For more details about Divi Booster, including pricing and how to get it, visit the link in the accompanying post. Once you have it installed, you'll be ready to follow the steps in this tutorial to add your custom icon. To enable custom icons in Divi Booster, start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to Divi, Divi Booster, Site-Wide Settings, Icons. In this section, you'll find the option to enable Add Custom Icons for use in modules. Turn this setting on, and once activated, the upload controls for adding your own custom icons will appear. This setting is key to allowing you to upload and use your unique icons in Divi modules with ease. To upload your custom button icon image, click the plus icon in the Custom Icons setting. From there, you can either upload a new icon image or select one from your WordPress media library. Divi Booster supports the same image formats allowed by WordPress, but for button icons, SVG typically delivers the sharpest results. A transparent PNG is a reliable alternative, while formats like JPG, JPEG, or WebP are generally less suited for icon-style graphics. If you plan to use SVG icons, keep in mind that WordPress doesn't enable SVG uploads by default. To resolve this, you can use a free plugin such as SVG Support, which allows SVG files to be uploaded safely. Once you've uploaded or selected your icon, it will appear in the Divi Booster Custom Icons setting, ready to use in your Divi modules. To add another custom icon, simply click the plus icon again and select a new image from your WordPress media library. If you want to remove an existing icon, hover over the icon and click the trash can icon that appears. Alternatively, if you'd like to add an icon using a URL, you can do that too. Close the Media Library pop-up and paste the icon's URL into the URL field located below the Icons section. This gives you flexibility in managing your custom icons effortlessly. Once you've added your custom icons, make sure to save your Divi Booster settings. After saving, your custom icons will be added to the icon lists in supported Divi modules. Depending on the version of Divi and Divi Booster you're using, you may find your icons appear near the start of the icon picker rather than at the end. This way, they'll be ready for you to use in your designs. To enable the button icon in the Divi Button module, start by opening the page containing your button module in the Divi Builder. Next, open the settings for the button module and navigate to the following path: Design, Button, Icon. Once you're there, ensure that the option labeled Show Button Icon is enabled. While this option is usually turned on by default in many Divi button setups, it's a good idea to double-check. If it's not enabled, the button icon will not display. That's it. Your button icon should now be active. To select your custom icon in the Divi Button module, navigate to the icon picker by going to Button, Design, Icon, Button Icon. From there, simply choose the custom icon you uploaded. Once selected, your icon will be applied to the button module, ready to enhance your design. By default, Divi buttons typically display the icon only when hovered over. If you'd like your custom icon to always be visible, here's how you can adjust the setting. Go to the button module settings, navigate to Design, Button, Icon, and disable the option labeled Only Show Icon on Hover for Button. This is particularly useful if the icon plays a vital role in the button's meaning, like indicating a download, booking, cart, or a specific call to action. However, if you prefer a cleaner design where the icon appears only on hover, you can simply leave this option enabled. When styling your custom Divi button icon, there are a few key points to keep in mind. Unlike Divi's built-in icons, which are font-based and can be easily recolored, custom icons added with Divi Booster are image-based. This means they don't respond to Divi's icon color settings in the same way. The good news is that you can still use all of the button module's design settings as usual. This includes options for text, background, border, spacing, hover effects, alignment, and responsive layout. For the best results, it's recommended to use SVG icons whenever possible, as they offer the sharpest quality. If SVG isn't suitable, a transparent PNG works as a great alternative. Make sure to crop your icons tightly and use a consistent canvas size if you're working with an icon set. Additionally, upload the icon in the color you want it to appear on your site, since it won't automatically adapt to color settings. If you need the same icon in different colors, you'll need to upload separate versions for each color. This ensures your custom icons integrate seamlessly into your design while maintaining their quality and visual impact. Once you've selected your custom icon, make sure to save the module and page. Then, exit the Visual Builder and check your site on the front end to confirm the icon is displaying correctly. If you notice the icon appearing in the Visual Builder but not on the live page, it's likely a caching issue. To fix this, clear Divi's static CSS cache, as well as any caching plugins, server cache, or CDN cache, and then reload the page. This should ensure your custom button icon is visible as intended. If your custom icon isn't showing in the button module icon picker or on the live front end, here are some key things to check. First, make sure Divi Booster is installed, activated, and up to date. Next, confirm that the Add Custom Icons for Use in Modules setting is enabled in Divi, Divi Booster, Site-Wide Settings icons. Also, double-check that you've saved the Divi Booster settings after uploading the icon. Ensure the icon has been selected in the module settings under Button, Design, Icon, Button Icon. If you want the icon visible all the time, verify that Only Show Icon on Hover for Button is disabled. Sometimes custom icons might appear near the start of the icon picker list, so it's worth checking there too. Lastly, clear any active caches, including WordPress, Divi, Server, or CDN caches, to avoid display issues. For SVG icons, ensure your WordPress site allows SVG uploads. For more troubleshooting tips, refer to the detailed steps in the accompanying post. If you're looking to expand your use of custom icons in Divi, there are plenty of options to explore. For example, you can add custom icons to other Divi modules, use them in social media sections, or even enhance functionality in tabs, accordions, or headers and footers. To learn more about these possibilities, check out the related guides linked in the accompanying post. Here are answers to some of the most frequently asked questions about adding custom icons to the Divi Button module. Yes, you can add custom icons. While Divi doesn't have a built-in option for this, Divi Booster allows you to upload your image icons and select them directly in the button module settings. If you'd like your icon to always be visible on the button, not just on hover, you can easily adjust that by disabling the Only Show Icon on Hover for Button option in the settings. For the sharpest results, SVG icons are highly recommended, though transparent PNGs work well too. Just remember to upload your icon in the color you'd like it to display, as custom icons won't adjust to color settings like Divi's font-based icons. Finally, Divi Booster works seamlessly with both Divi 4 and Divi 5, providing a flexible, no-code solution for integrating custom icons. If you're exploring alternate methods like CSS or Font Awesome, those could work, but often require additional customization. For detailed instructions on any of these points, check out the accompanying post. In conclusion, adding a custom icon to the Divi Button module is a quick and effective way to make your calls to action stand out and reflect your branding. With Divi Booster, you can easily upload your own SVG, PNG, or other WordPress-supported icons and use them directly within the Button module's icon picker. This method allows you to skip the hassle of replacing the Button module, writing custom CSS, or generating a custom icon font. For optimal results, use SVG or transparent PNG icons. Ensure the Show Button icon option is enabled. Select your uploaded icon from the Button icon setting, and turn off the Only Show Icon on Hover for Button option if you want the icon visible at all times. If there's another Divi module where you'd like to use custom icons, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments, and I'll do my best to help.